My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Tesla Model X. This is the Ludicrous edition, reaching 0 to 60 in 2.8. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the side of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our Falcon Wing doors. And as we step inside, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. On the user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, which allows us to close all from within inside the car. We also have pedals and steering. This is where we can switch between Ludicrous acceleration to Ludicrous Plus. We also have our suspension, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. If we click here, we can access our camera, and with that, our dash cam, arcade, toy box, and browser. If we click here, we can access our climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.